Hey Linkers. So if you want to teleport from anywhere to any one of the teleport places, you can. You just gotta find this fish boy here. So after you finish the fourth stage, right beside the fourth dungeon is this big fish boy, and he'll teach you a song that will let you just teleport wherever. I mean, teleport from wherever you are to any of the teleporters in the game. Very useful. Get this right away. Okay, it's right beside the dungeon. I'll let the video play it a little bit so you can kind of see where it is. But it's something important, and you should have it. And if this video helped you, remember to like it. Because liking helps, and liking brings more people to it and helps more people out. But don't subscribe to me.